You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay, guys, this is the very first sneak peek. It's the very first time we've ever filmed in here. This is the studio. We have a little bit more to do, put up some artwork, plus we got the holidays coming. We'll be decorating. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so much fun. I'll show you a more detailed view of my office and my studio kitchen. We're going to talk about the oven, some cool features that are on the new oven, but we're going to do that in a separate video. For right now, I want to tell you the backstory on where this came from. So this is a water bottle or water sipper called Coldest, okay? And basically, I saw a girl on TikTok. It was 110 degrees in Arizona. She literally filled this up, wanted to see if it could stay cold for 24 hours at 110 degree temperatures. She filled it up. She put it right in the sun. 110 degrees for 24 hours. The next day, she went out there, still had ice. I got all excited and bought it. I'm like, are you kidding me? That'll blow away the Walmart version. So we're going to find out. So today, we're going to put the same in the Walmart Ozark Trails. This is a $10. And I think this was 20 or 30. I can't remember. But anyway, we're going to put the same, just like we've done with the Yeti, with the Stanley. We're going to fill these both up and see who lasts the longest. All right. So let's get started. All right, guys. You already know yellow's my favorite color. So I bought the yellow one. We're going to do the same amount in each. I don't know if 20 ice cubes will fit in here. We'll try. We're going with 20 ice cubes. We're going to try and put 3 cups of water in both. This looks a little smaller, so we're going to see how much this takes and do the same in this, all right? It is 7:52 right now at night. So we got the same amount of ice cubes, same amount of water. Let's load them up. Oh, I think it is going to hold all of it. How cool. Yep. Ta-da. Okay. Three cups also in here. And by the way, I want to show you, this has a special kind of a pop top straw. You drink out of that. So you don't have a big long straw. That's kind of cool. Here's the Coldest. Here's Walmart. And we will see you probably tomorrow. We're going to check it in 24 hours because we're indoors, so we're not taking it outside. So we'll keep checking until all the ice is gone, and we'll state the winner. Let's take a look. Okay, it looks like 9:30 in the morning. Walmart's out of ice. Let's go over here and look. Let's see how long that lasts. Let's run this test a little longer. You've been dethroned, dude.